What's good, y'all? It's I Am Banks, and today I'm back with a new video. So as you can see in the title, this is the $500 a day gold strategy. So this video is for people who either trade gold or US pairs, and if you don't trade either of that, that's fine. You can still watch this video. It's also for the individuals who don't have a strategy or aren't profitable. If you are profitable, that's fine. You can still watch this video. I'm sure there's a few things that you can take from this and they can be used to help you out. And also, guys, make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't already. And for the individuals who don't have a trading plan, you can use mine. Link is in the description. It's completely free. You can use that, and I'm sure that can help you because it's helped other people. It's in there, and if you need it, just go get it. So right now, we're looking at gold. This is exactly what I'll be telling you guys, is exactly how I trade gold. I'm sure there's some people in the comments who, as I've seen in my other videos, who don't agree with the way I trade. That's fine. Honestly, that's okay. This is all everyone's individual journey. What works for me might not work for you, and that's okay. However, from what I've seen and from the people I've taught, this works, so that's okay. Firstly, I'm not usually like these other traders who maybe look at the weekly or daily. That's good, that can help, but I don't really need to because I'm a day trader, so I don't really care long term where the market's going. I care maybe where the market's going in the week. So usually I start from the 4-hour time frame. So as you can see here on gold, this is the 4-hour time frame, and I look back a bit. I just to get a full view, and from what I'm seeing here, it's a bit obvious where gold is going. It's an uptrend. Gold is in an uptrend. So usually if something's in an uptrend, I'm going to trade with the trend, because firstly, I've tested counter trend trading and it doesn't work for me. I don't really like it. My win rate definitely drops severely when I'm trading against the trend. So what I would say, guys, just trade with the trend. Honestly, it's just a lot better. Okay, so as you can see, gold is clearly going up. It's a bit obvious to my bias for today. I'm only going to be looking for buys. So also, guys, I will also do this live as well. I'm also going to take a trade live literally after I finish making this, and I'll record that and also will be in this video. So I start off with the 4-hour. I see that we're in an uptrend right now, so I'm only going to be looking for buys. So once I have that bias established, I go down to the 1-hour. So this is where I look for opportunities and trades that I can take. So I'm looking for buying opportunities right now. So right now, I don't really see anything on the 1-hour. Again, I'll drop down to the 30 minutes, and I'm slowly starting to see some opportunities in the 30 minutes. So what I would do here, I would put my zone, because I'm only looking for buys and I pretty much trade support and resistance. So I would put you can see there's a resistance zone in this area. So I will pretty much wait for price to enter this zone, and if it does, I want to see the way price reacts in this zone before I decide what I want to do. I can also go down to the 15 minutes to see any potential thing happening. Okay, so what I can see here, I'm just going to wait for price to enter this zone before I would take a trade personally. While that's happening, let me show you a quick example of pretty much how I trade. Okay, so this is an example of maybe the strategy in play while we're waiting for this other one to pan out. So as you can see on here, clearly we were in a downtrend in gold on the 4-hour. So I was only looking for sales at this point. So what I did, I dropped down to the 1-hour and I saw an opportunity for a sell. So I drew my zones right here, if I remember correctly, because this was a long time ago, so I'll do it again. So I drew my zones here and I could see price enter this zone. So it wicked into the zone, and as soon as this other candle was breaking the low, that's pretty much when I entered the sell, and prices dropped. I could tell there was a lot of volume and it just dropped, and it gave me a nice win. So that's kind of the strategy in place, kind of an idea of how it would look like. But let's just go back to here. Okay, so what I'll do, I'm going to go on MT4 and pretty much show you guys exactly how I would trade on MT4. Okay, so we're in MT4 right now, and I'll pretty much do everything all over again. We're in an uptrend. I'm looking for buys. Set my zone. I'll go down to the maybe 1-hour. I would set my zones. So since I'm looking for buys, I'll have a buy right there. I will drop down again to the half an hour to look for more opportunities. And as you can see here, I can see price is just about to break this high of the previous candle. I might hop into the 15 minute. However, the thing is, there is a little bit of a resistance here. So I want to see how price acts in there, in that zone. So what I'll do, I'll wait till price enters that zone, see how it reacts. And if it looks good, I'll enter a buy. There's a lot of volume right now, so this is good so far. So prices broke the recent highs, the previous high. That's usually a good sign. So, and I know this 15-minute candle closes in 3 minutes. I'm just gonna wait for 3 minutes for the 15 to close. before I decide to do anything. Either I wait for the 15 minutes to close, or if this candle breaks this high of the 1 hour, the previous 1 hour high, if it breaks that high, I'll enter a buy. But if it doesn't, I'm still waiting because we are in a resistance right now. So I'm just gonna wait out. All right, y'all. So the 15-minute candle is closed, and this is where I'll probably be waiting for the next candle to break this high. However, I don't want it to break it too fast, which it might. So it's broken the high. I'm gonna wait right now. So I'm getting prepared and getting ready to take a buy, but I'm gonna wait, especially because we're approaching London close. I'm gonna wait, give it a minute before I decide to take any sort of buys right now. Another reason is you can see the rejection right here. 7 candles reject this resistance area, well, this support area, which is good. So it's another confluence for my buy bias. And now we wait. So if this candle breaks its own high, I'm gonna get in a buy. We're gonna put two lots in there. All right, so I'm about to get in a buy right now. I'm gonna wait for it to break its high. When this 15-minute candle breaks its own high, I'm gonna enter a buy. Okay, y'all, so I just entered a 3-lot buy position because the candle broke its own highs. So now we just wait and see where it goes. It's more so just about patience. I'm aiming for maybe a nice, maybe 300 to 500 today. I missed a trade in the morning, but that's okay. So we'll see where price goes on here before I decide if I want to close. Okay, 200. Price is pushing a lot. That's that long-term close happening right now. Yeah, and now we wait. And also regarding stop losses, I do have a mental stop loss. There isn't any news that would spike me out or anything that will happen right now because I don't trade during news. So if price goes down and to an amount that I'm fine with losing, I'll close the trade. However, right now, we're up money. We'll see where it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna close this out because I am very happy with the amount right here, and it might continue pushing up. That's fine. I'm very happy with the amount I've made today. So if you guys enjoyed what you just seen, make sure to like, subscribe, and you can also book a free call if you want to. Maybe you have any questions that you want to ask me. Link is in the description. And also my trading plan, which is free. All of this is free, guys. Take advantage of it. Come on now. It's all in the description. So I will see you guys in the next video, and I really hope you learned something from today, and I'll see you all in the next video.